So let's do the EFT part for heart. Again, focus on the body part. Feel the sensation. You are feeling the emotion, heart, and the person and the situation. We will heal that with the EFT. Take the intensity and we will take it last. So let's begin. Even though I am feeling this heart, still I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Even though I have been holding this heart long time, I don't know, knowingly or unknowingly, I always created this. And I don't accept. I blame and complain. Feel like a victim. Till I love and accept myself exactly the way I am. Right at the beginning of your life, all this feeling of heart within me, anywhere in my body, I release, release, release. All this emotion of heart, I keep on creating, knowingly, unknowingly. I release, release, release. All the repeated thoughts that keep running in me, in my head, overthinking. It creates this heart. I release all my beliefs. The other person is harsh, person is insensitive. Or sometimes I feel I am very sensitive. I get hurt easily. So blaming myself, judging myself and others, believing all this is true. Now I choose to release, release, release all the actions I have taken in the past or the present, knowingly or unknowingly, which has created this heart. I choose to release. Any of the attachment with other person since my childhood now, or attachment with my emotions, that may be the emotion of heart I am attached to. That's why I keep on feeling it. So I choose to release this attachment now completely. I release, release, release all this drama of heart, behaving like I'm a Meena Kumari. Oh my God, I am a victim. Every time someone comes and keep on hurting me, this is my belief. This is I feel as if I am very innocent. I don't hurt others. And if I see, don't I hurt myself? Keep on creating negative thoughts, feelings, judging, criticizing myself. Is this not the biggest hurt? Being a self-critic, always being feeling small. If I can hurt myself, I keep on doing this to myself. Why not others? Because what I give to myself, I manifest from others. All the people in my life and the situations in my life, all the way through my past, because of which I have been programmed for this feeling hurt as a regular pattern. I release, release, release all my experiences from my past, present, all the memories because of which I am carrying this heart in my DNA, in my programs. I release, release all the hurt that unknowingly came to me or coming to me from my ancestors, from my lineage as a pattern. I release, release, release. Now I choose to see the people, same people, and the situations where They have also loved me unconditionally. They cared for me. And sometimes they also gave me priority and said sorry, took responsibility. And sometimes I also did say, apologize, took responsibility, and moved on. And that's how relations go. Because if there is love, there is love. If I want love, definitely heart will come together. Because everything is a balance. Day come with night, sun come with moon. All the happiness come with sadness. All the emotions are balanced. Health comes with sickness. Love comes with harm. Acceptance comes with rejection. Peace comes with sometimes conflicts. Oh, I know now I have to accept both as a part. And now I love to balance myself. And I choose the balanced perspective to accept both parts of a person, both type of emotions, of everything in the universe is a balance. Nature is a balance. Success comes with failure. I choose and accept that I choose balance. I balance people. I look balance in situations. I look for balance in myself. Even if I feel I am bad, then I look to the good side of myself. And when I feel, oh my God, I am a very nice person, I feel myself, put myself on the pedestal. And I look towards the negative sides. But like me, everyone has the balance. Nothing is imbalanced. And I choose and love to balance with my past, present, and future. I love to create my future with the balance, through a balanced perspective, balanced emotion, so that I can create, radiate, and feel balance. Come to the thumb. I choose to feel balanced, now, peaceful in all areas of my life. I choose to feel balanced, love for my body, my mind, for my physical and emotional health. I choose to create and feel balance in all my relations. And first and foremost, my relation with myself. I choose to love, be, and create balance in my career, in everywhere, in all the situations. I choose to feel and create and love balance for money, for wealth, for prosperity in the life. Because I am a balanced human being. Come to the karate point, and I acknowledge, accept that balance is my true nature, because I am also a part of the universe. And universe cannot create imbalance in any person, situation, in the nature. So I love to see that in myself, in others, in situations. And I choose to love myself entirely, wholeheartedly, love others, love all parts of me, others, everything in the universe. And I accept myself and others. for everything I have and they have in the body, mind, and spirit. Stay with these feelings, a few seconds, and take a deep breath. Release anything, any of the imbalance, any of the judgment left in your body, heart, releasing from your crown to your chakra to all cells of the body, back into the earth. At the same time, white light is entering, balance, peace, light, a lot of love within you. Every part of your entire being into your existence. Feel the vibrations of your love. Feel your heart chakra expanding, 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 and covering the universe. Feeling of acceptance and balance. All the chakras are balanced and activated. Nurtured. Take one long deep breath. Open your eyes, rub your hands with heat and on your eyes, all the chakras, all the body. How are you feeling? You can tell me in the chat window or you can unmute and let me know. Okay, very much released my pains. Thank you. I'm so happy for that. Thank you so much for joining. Okay. Thank you. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day. Love you all.